This is ridiculous. Most businesses ghost their customers right after the sale. Then they wonder why they never come back. Well, I've seen a simple post-purchase email sequence that can triple customer loyalty overnight. And here's how you can do it too. Have you ever bought something online only to never hear from that company again? That empty feeling after you spent your hard-earned money is what I call the post-purchase ghost town, and it's killing businesses everywhere. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hirst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. And today, I'm tackling one of the most overlooked profit opportunities in your business. And it's what happens after someone buys something from you. So here's the problem. Most businesses pour all their energy into getting that first sale. They create amazing ads, compelling offers, and convincing sales pages. Then once the customer buys, nothing. It's radio silence. All that relationship building just stops. It's like going on an amazing first date, having a great connection, and then never calling again. And why would you do that? Keeping existing customers is significantly cheaper than acquiring new ones. When customers purchase from you, they're wide open. They just trusted you with their money. They might be excited, but they're also wondering if they made the right choice. And this is called buyer's remorse, and it happens to all of us. If you disappear right at this crucial moment, you're basically telling them, I only cared about getting your money. Let me break down what happens in your customer's mind after they buy something. First, they need immediate validation. Within minutes of purchasing, they're wondering if they made the right choice. And this is where your thoughtful order confirmation and thank you message makes all the difference. Don't just send a boring receipt, tell them they made a smart decision. Remind them of the benefits they'll get. Make them feel good about choosing you. The second phase is the delivery experience. Whether you're shipping a physical product or delivering a digital one, this is where expectations meet reality. If you sell physical products, keep customers informed about the shipping. If it's a digital product or service, make the access smooth and immediate. The third phase is what I call a usage window. The crucial few days or weeks when your customer is actually using what they bought. This is your opportunity to show that you're still there, helping them get the most value. But here's where most businesses completely drop the ball. They leave customers alone to figure everything out themselves. And when customers struggle to get value from what they bought, they blame the product and your business. So what can you do? Let me show you 3 simple after-sales systems that turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. First, create a post-purchase email sequence. This is a series of 3 to 5 emails sent automatically after someone buys from you. Here's what makes an effective sequence. The first email send right away. This is the thank you and what's next email. Send this immediately after they purchase. Thank them sincerely and tell them exactly what to expect next. Email number 2 sent anywhere from day 2 to day 3. This is the getting started email. This is where you want to provide tips so they can get the most value from their purchase. For a physical product, this might be just setup instructions. For a service, it could be preparation steps. Email number 3 should be sent a week later. This is the check-in email. Simply ask how things are going and if they need help. This shows you genuinely care about their experience and not just their money. Email number 4 should be sent anywhere from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. This is the success story email. One thing that works really great here is sharing a relevant customer success story to inspire them. This helps them see what's possible with your product or service. The second system is a simple loyalty program. Now, you don't need a fancy app or website for this. Even a basic buy 5, get 1 free punch card works well for local businesses. For online businesses, you can track purchases in your CRM and automatically offer rewards after certain milestones. The key is making customers feel special for choosing you repeatedly. The third system is what I call the surprise moment. It's an unexpected touch that delights your customer. This could be a handwritten thank you note, a small bonus gift with your purchase, or even a personal video for high-value customers. When you surprise customers with something they weren't expecting to see, you create a story they'll tell others. That's free marketing that actually works. So here's a quick action plan to make sure that you aren't ghosting customers after they buy. First, map out your customer's journey after they purchase. What are they thinking? What are they feeling? And what are they doing on day 1? How about day 7 and day 30? Understanding this journey helps you show up in the right moments. Second, create one simple system to start with. Don't try to build everything at once. If you sell products, start with your post-purchase email sequence. If you offer services, implement a check-in call 2 weeks after they start working with you. Third, look for opportunities to exceed expectations. Where could you surprise the customers with something unexpected? Even the small gestures can help make a huge difference. Here's the thing though, you don't need to bombard customers with messages. Quality beats quantity every time. One thoughtful and helpful email will do more for your business than 10 generic ones. The goal isn't just communication, it's making sure your customers feel cared for, supported, and valued. And when they feel that way, they don't just come back, they bring others with them. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'd love to know, what's one thing you could implement after the sale to make your customers feel valued? Now, I want you to remember this. The sale isn't the end of the customer relationship. It's just the beginning. Stop ghosting your customers after they buy and watch your business transform from a one-time transaction machine into a community of loyal fans who can't wait to buy from you again.